Hi viewers, welcome to Cooking with Eva. On this episode, I want to teach you on how to enjoy your fruit salad. These are the fruits that I'm going to use. They are tropical fruits. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut the apple. Not remove the skin because the skin carries more nutrients. So I'm going to add lemon juice to the apples. So this will prevent discoloration of apples. And same case you should do to bananas and avocados. After some time when they're exposed to air, they discolor. Just make sure you go deep into the skin. Look at that. Yay! So now you can just remove. So the melon. Like that. So this purple, when you're making fruit salad, just ensure you incorporate different colors of fruits. Cut into halves. Just mix. Just look at this, how colorful my fruits are. Mom. Now I can add the apples. Just make sure not to mix a lot. So my fruit salad is done. Here it is. I hope you're enjoying it with your eyes. Unakula kwa macho. Yes, you should. So I'm just going to serve this on my bowl. And then I'm just going to pour the yogurt or serve it with yogurt. So that's strawberry yogurt. I can't add more fruits into it for decoration, so I'll garnish it with chocolate. So there we go. The fruit salad is ready. This is just enjoyable. This is yummy. So who will not love such a fruit salad? Awesome.